1-minute revision of the topic Journal Entry for Interest on Drawings. When an owner or partner withdraw funds from the business for their personal use, it is called drawings. Interest on drawings refers to the interest charged by the business on the amount of money withdrawn. It is calculated based on the amount withdrawn, the interest rate that is already set, and the duration for which the funds were utilized. The journal entry for interest on drawings includes debiting the respective owner's or partner's drawings account, whereas crediting the interest on drawings account. The logic behind this journal entry is debit the decrease in capital and credit the increase in income. Let us explain this with the help of an example. Charge 10% interest on drawings at the end of the year to Pam. Her total drawings from the business is 10,000. Record the journal entry. So we will debit Pam's drawings account by 1,000 and credit interest on drawings account by 1,000. The adjustment for 1,000 will be done at the end of the accounting year, which comes out to be 10% of the total drawings, which is 10,000. Some key highlights of this topic are: the interest rate charged on drawings may depend on the partnership agreement or the company policy. Interest on drawings is an income earned for the business for charging interest on the withdrawn funds. However, for the partner, withdrawing funds is considered as an expense, reducing their total net earnings from the business.